Write an equation for the line through 2, -6 and 1, 3. Give the final answer in slope-intercept form. To write the equation of a line, we need to know two pieces of information, a point and a slope. We're given 2 points, so we definitely have a point identified, but we also need here to determine the slope. To do that, let's use our definition of slope, which is the change in y over the change in x. I'm going to identify these points as x2, y2, and x1, y1. So our change in y, y2 minus y1, is a -6 minus 3. The change in x, x2 minus x1, is a 2 minus 1. This gives us a -9 over 1, or a slope of -9. Therefore, we've determined the slope. Now let's use one of those points, either one, within our point-slope formula to write the equation of this line. The point-slope formula is y minus y1 is equal to the slope times x minus x1. So we have a y minus y1, which is 3, is equal to the slope, -9, times x minus x sub 1, which is the number 1. Now we want to write this equation in slope-intercept form, so let's solve for y. Y minus 3 is equal to, multiplying through on the right side, we get a -9x plus 9. And adding 3 to both sides gives y is equal to a -9x plus 12. The equation of the line in slope-intercept form that goes through the points 2, -6 and 1, 3 is y equal -9x plus 12.